gonna turn the camera around so that you can see our smiling faces, but I figured it'd be a little different for you to watch our shadows. We're walking the dogs. Oh wait, wave again, they didn't see you. Hi, good morning vlog. It's actually really gorgeous out. Like there he is. It's really pretty. Just a little breeze. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're walking the dogs. My shadow changed, so I'm over there now. I don't know what we're gonna get into this morning. I gotta go to work at 3. I'd like to do something before then. Just don't know what that'll be. Morning. It's 10:52 a.m. We're going to the beach. I'm sorry. I know every vlog this week has pretty much included the beach.
Well, we'll film a couple seconds to show we're there, but then we're not going to bore you with it.
Why not? At least the beach this time will be on nice sunshiny days.
I don't know. We'll see.
And it won't be all gloomy and gray, right? So it'll be all happy and cheery beach stuff instead of impending doom beach stuff.
Well, we considered going for a bike ride, but I'd have to dig the bikes out at this point. And I don't know if I want to go through all that effort right at the moment.
I did a little bit of my scrapbook. I did a page. And actually, it's not even done because like I need like little embellishments and stuff to add to it, but I have to go purchase that stuff. I haven't might even purchase that stuff. I should like hit up all the thrift stores and see if I can't find stuff.